Good morning, guys. How are you? Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for encouraging me, and I'm so glad. I'm seeing your photos. You guys are working hard. Well done. I'm proud of you. Keep it up. Keep on eating healthy. Drink lots and lots of water. Eat a lot of veggies and salads, protein like fish, chicken, red beans. All those things are so good for you. And as I said, I always give my testimony. I've lost almost like coming to 10 stones, and it hasn't been easy. It has taken time. It is a process. Don't rush it. Don't look at other people and admire them and say, oh, I wish I'm like them. You can do it. It's all about you being positive, determined, consistent in whatever you are doing. Any type of exercise you are doing, as long as you are consistent, you will make it. Not yet, just 25 minutes. So right now I'm in the park running, and I have my two sisters here recording me. They also came for a walk. I want to say thank you so much. And you see, all these things I'm doing are exercises. You can't just sit at home and say you are bored of running. Get in your sitting room and do things like this. Suck in your stomach. You see, I'm working out. Or, see, all these are exercises. Okay? As long as you don't injure your knees, okay? All these are exercises. For those of you who can't go out, you have kids, you can just jog in your house. Jump around like this. Okay? Oh, this is working out. Oh, you can see. Make sure you don't land on your knees, because you can injure them. So be careful. You can jump. See how I land? Okay. When you get tired of that, you can do this. Or there are so many things you can do. This one works on the hands, on the legs, on your bum. And then you can do squats. All these are exercises. Put your legs apart and push your butt at the back. See? And you go. Okay? Or you stay there like this. Keep your chest up and bounce. Squeeze your butts. Thank you. Okay. And work hard. All those are exercises. Surely we have no excuses. You either end up in the hospital with high blood pressure, sugar diabetes, or you work out. But that's not my wish for you. I want to encourage you to start working out. Even if you're a mother, go with your baby, push her in the park. You can even push and try to run around. All that is working out. Go do your shopping, pack it on the pushchair and push it fast. That is all working. It will work on your waistline, your stomach, your legs. If you can't do that, you can walk. You can even walk backwards, because you are working on your muscles at the back. But always be careful not to injure yourself. Hallelujah. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you the best. I love you. Please stay in touch. Welcome to join our Keep Fit page on Facebook. It's all about health, and we are teaching, and there are so many people there teaching. Welcome to be part of it. You are a winner. You can do it. Yes, you can. God bless you. Thank you, my sisters, for recording.